Hello, good morning students. Today we'll continue the first chapter in science, that is natural resource. Last class we have studied about renewable and non-renewable resources. From there we'll continue the lesson. Next topic is water. In this natural resource, water is the most important natural resource because all living beings on this earth need water. Without water, no living beings can live. Plants, animals, human beings all need water. So water plays an important role in living organisms. So it is the most important natural resource. 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water. It means what? 3/4 earth's surface is covered by water. Only 1/4, almost 25% of the earth's surface is land. Even though 3/4 surface of the earth is covered by water, but water which is available for plants, animals and human beings, it is only small percentage because 97% of water is in the form of seas. It is available in seas and oceans. They are not fit for drinking water and cooking. Sea water, ocean water, they are salt. We cannot use them for cooking, drinking and other agricultural purposes. They are available in seas and oceans. They are not fit for use. Only small amount of percentage, means less than 1% of water on this earth is available for human use. So you must be human beings, animals, we must be very careful. We have to save water. That is why they say we have to save water, because small percentage of water is available for our use. So what are the uses of water? Water is used for drinking, cooking and agricultural purposes. In our country depends on agriculture. So in our country 80% of water is used for agricultural purposes. Understood? In that 1%, 80% means what? 0.8 is percentage of water is used for agricultural purposes. Next important is soil.